Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, my friend. How are you today?
Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I'm so happy you are here again.
My name is Wilbert.
And I'm Donna.
Take a deep breath. Relax.
And get ready to learn English slowly, step by step.
Today, we have a very useful topic.
Oh, yes, very useful.
Today, we are learning how to ask for directions.
Oh, yes, this is very important.
Yes, when you travel, when you are in a new city.
You need to ask, where is it?
Yes, exactly.
Before we start,
If you like this lesson, please click the like button, thumbs up.
and don't forget to subscribe.
It helps you learn English every day.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's start. Donna, imagine this.
Okay.
You are in a new city,
Oh, exciting.
but you are lost.
Oh no, not exciting anymore.
Yes, now you are confused.
I don't know where I am.
So, what do you do?
I ask for help.
Very good. First, you need to get someone's attention.
Yes, you don't just say, hey.
No, be polite.
You say, excuse me.
Very important phrase.
Repeat slowly. Excuse me.
One more time. Excuse me. Now you ask your question.
Okay.
You can say, where is the bank?
Repeat. Where is the bank?
Or, where is the bus stop?
Repeat. Where is the bus stop?
Or, how do I get to the station?
This is very useful.
Repeat slowly. How do I get to the station?
Now the person answers.
Yes, and sometimes it's confusing.
Yes, very confusing.
Let's learn simple directions. Go straight.
Repeat. Go straight.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn right.
Turn right.
It's on the left.
It's on the left.
It's on the right.
It's on the right.
Let's practice.
Yes, real conversation. Excuse me.
Yes?
Where is the coffee shop?
Go straight, then turn left.
Go straight, then turn left.
Yes, it's on the right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What if I don't understand?
Good question.
Sometimes I hear, but I don't understand.
Yes, that's normal. You say, sorry?
Or, can you say that again?
Repeat slowly. Can you say that again?
Or, please speak slowly.
Very important. Now, let's talk about buses and trains.
Yes, very useful.
You can ask, which bus goes to the station?
Repeat. Which bus goes to the station?
Or, where is the train station?
Where is the train station?
Or, how much is the ticket?
Money question.
Sometimes people use landmarks.
Landmarks, like big buildings.
Yes, for example, next to the bank, across from the park, near the school,
Repeat. Next to.
next to,
Across from.
near.
Wilbert, I have a funny story.
Oh no, what happened?
I wanted to say turn left,
Okay.
but I said turn lift.
Lift like elevator.
Yes, the person looked confused.
That's okay.
Mistakes are okay.
Now it's your turn.
Repeat after us.
Excuse me.
Where is the station?
Go straight.
Turn left.
Turn right.
Thank you.
Let's do one more.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Go straight. Turn right.
Go straight, turn right.
Yes, it's near the park.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Great job today.
You are learning real English.
Now you can ask for directions.
Very useful for travel.
Remember, practice every day.
Slowly, step by step.
Now, tell us in the comments.
Have you ever been lost in a city?
What happened?
Tell us your story.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, my friend.